Привет! Hello! Welcome back to my Russian lesson. Today we'll repeat the plural of nouns, masculine, and today we'll learn the next two genders like feminine and neuter. A plural of nouns in feminine plural in feminine. And so the final letter A. Do you remember the feminine almost always finished with the last letter A, sometimes ya. And now we'll speak about the letter A. For example, vasa is finished with A and became always U. The A became U. The letter, the sound, you have to pronounce it very well to be understanding very well. And so, vasa, one, одна, became two, three, five, plural form, vazy. Okay, this is plural form, feminine. And the final letters like ka, ga, cha, ha became, for example, ga became gi, ka became ki, cha became chi, ha became he. And so, for example, kniga, the book. Kniga became kniги. Okay, book, books. Also here. Ways, ways. So, vaza, vazy, kniga, kniги. And now I want to introduce you the neuter in plural. So neuter, so it was feminine and neuter. Neuter, if you remember, we have letter O became the last letter became A. For example, окно, if the accent is here, stress окно, the first O became A. Окно became окна. O, now the accent is on the first O. Окна. And the letter Ye, the final letter Ye, became Ya. For example, море became моря. So, окно, it's a window. Became windows. Море is a sea. Became seas. Okay, so neuter. The final letter O became A. The final letter Ye became Ya. The most cases, the plural of nouns ends in ü, as you saw. The masculine is almost every nouns became in ü, and much more also, not much more, but a lot of became in e, also in masculine version. After the consonant ga, ka, ha, cha, the ending becomes e. And for neuter, the o changed to a, the ye changed to ya. The plural has many exceptions. Let's learn some. For example, exception, plural, noun. For example, passport, is a masculine. Why? Because the final letter is consonant. So this is masculine. Passport became pasparta. Pasparta. The feminine exception, for example, familia, familia, its surname, it's not family, but its surname becomes, and this is ya, the last letter ya, and it means it's feminine version, feminine gender. Family, ya became e. Familia, family. And now another exception, but very important. This is known imя. Имя, its name, became имена. Имя, имена. This is a neuter. This is a few words you have to memorize in exceptions in plural nouns, in plural form. Passport, pasparta. Familia, familii. Имя, имена. And so passport, as you can understand, it's passport. Some translation. Familia, as I told you, it's not family, it's surname. So passport, passports. Surname, surname, familia. Surnames, family. Имя, name, name. Имена, names. So passport, passport, pasparta, passports. Familia, surname, family, surnames. Имя, name, имена, names. And so, write your name, your surname, your question. If you want to ask me something about the next, for example, the argument to what you want to improve for the next lessons, put the like, put the bell, and so see you next time. Пока-пока.